partnership between you and Rahul have been in top form. So does it make it hard to get Gale back into the scheme of things, given that he can only play as an opener?
Well, see, we're not thinking about that too much. We're very happy the way we're playing and the start we're able to give to the side, and we'll take it as it comes.
Deepika Naidu of Crickbuzz, was it a concerted decision to open with you from the start of the season, or was it a chance that paid off?
Well, there were a lot of talks. It was up to the coach and management. Whatever decision they take, I was, and we were all happy with that. Whether be it then or going forward.
Were you surprised by the promotion of Rahul Tewatia? What batting order did your team expect from Rajasthan?
Well, that's not my decision to make or for me to comment. But yeah, uh, I thought he batted really well to get a 50 and win them the game.
How difficult is this defeat to take? You almost seemed too close out the game.
Uh, See, very honestly, the talk in the dressing room is still very very positive. We still got 11 games to go. There are a lot of things that we're doing right, so we want to focus on that. Yes, we haven't been able to close out. That's the truth, but we're not really focusing on the results, the kind of cricket we're playing, and the brand of cricket we're playing, and the plans that we're executing. We're executing most of it, so we're quite happy with that.
How difficult is it to know what is a safe total on such a small ground with a good batting pitch?
Well, you try and get as many as you can, but yeah, try and get as many as you can.
What were you two discussing during that partnership with Rahul? And is it easy to bat together when you know your partner so well?
Well, definitely, it's a lot of fun to bat with KL. Top class cricketer, top guy. We share a good friendship even on the field. And well, the talk was, if a set batsman, if we both are set, we get a start. Then we got to make sure that the one guy at least out of the two bats through.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
First question is from Vishal Dikshit of ESPN Cricket Info. Whose idea was it to send Tewatia at number 4?
I think it was team management. I think it was Coach Mecca and Zubin Barucha, our team cricket director. I think we have been really working hard on Rahul Tiwati. I think he's proper leg spinner, and then we kind of that management kind of saw the batting abilities he had in the practice matches in the nets he was competing with. So they decided to send him up the order. I think it was a good move. I think it was a really brave move, and he made them all proud.
Anuj Mishra of KNI. What was the discussion that went through in the timeout during chase?
During chase, I think it was. I think there was only one way to go when the chase is happening. I think when you're chasing 220 or 220 or something, I think there is only one way to go. I think only level 5 gear to put in. So it was really easier. I think when you're chasing around 160 or 170, you need to think twice, like how to reach there. But it was a bit simpler. I think it was almost about just see the ball and hit the ball. I think everyone really liked that intent, and luckily that happened. Yeah.
When Tewatia was struggling, how did you keep him motivated during your time in the middle?
I think I would like to really. It was a really brave heart from him. I think he never gave up. I think he never gave up. I think he was so down. I could see that he was literally so down, and then he never gave up, and he had the ability to come back and strike those 30 runs of an international player in this IPL. So I think it's a great confidence booster for him, and I think in the coming tournament, I think he'll be really useful for us.
How difficult was it for the team to leave out David Miller, a finisher, and Yashasvi Jaiswal, a promising young batsman?
I think it was a more of a team combination or a strategy. I think we know that Sharjah. I think it's a very tough for bowlers. I think we wanted to add one more bowler, a six bowler side. I think so that's why Yashasvi came out and Ankit Rajput came in, and definitely having Josh Butler in the side. I think it's understood that he has to play in the 11, and David was happy to sit out for him. I think, yeah.
Why did RR opt to play an extra bowler on a batsman's paradise such as Sharjah?
Yeah, that's why I think it's a batsman's paradise. So you need extra bowlers. I think you never know. I think which bowler is going to go for runs. So you need that extra protection. I think it will be a great. It's a great call from the team management to include that extra bowler Ankit Rajput, and he did a marvelous job for the team today.
The last question for the day. In relatively smaller grounds like today,
Yeah.
from a strategy perspective, does it truly make a big difference batting first or second? And how much did the dew factor play affect the bowlers today?
Definitely, I think with my experience, with my small experience, I've learned that batting second in smaller grounds are really you are one step ahead of the opponents. You know what you're chasing. I think they batted first, they scored around 220, and they thought that they might have thought that we have got enough on the board. But smaller grounds and good wickets, I think anything is chaseable in this tournament. I feel.
Perfect. Thank you so much.